Hello everyone, it's Republic of Gamers and Nikita here, and we've got a new review for you. And as you may have already guessed from what I have on my desk here, it's a new ROG phone. I mean, it's absolutely new. ROG Phone 9 and ROG Phone 9 Pro. And here the ROG Phone 8 Pro. The key difference is this red stripe and the additional anime vision element on the back. That's about all, so thank you for watching and bye-bye. Just joking, of course. The smartphone has been updated and I'm going to tell you about those updates today. Yes, the design is overall the same, and this time around our engineers have focused more on the technical side of things. Well, that's not a problem, as both the ROG Phone 9 and 8 look amazing. Starting from the previous model, we moved away from the early sci-fi inspired gaming design towards something sleeker and more stylish. So that the smartphone appealed to those people who just want a flagship model with a large top quality display. Before we discuss the smartphone itself, let's take a look at the packaging and accessories included with the ROG Phone 9 Pro. I mean the Pro version, because the basic one only comes with this box. So besides the smartphone, the pretty black box includes an additional cooler that I'll discuss later, a case from the cooler, a 65-watt power adapter, and a Type-C cable. Additionally, there are two bumper cases for the smartphone here. One covers the back panel entirely, while the other has a large cutout for the AeroActive Cooler. Of course, the first thing that catches the eye is the back panel lighting, called Anime Vision. It's a mini LED display that can show animations for system notification, battery charge level, incoming call notifications, the status of the Gaming X mod, and much more. It looks awesome. In the new version, it has an additional line for visualization that's used together with the main display. And when it's turned off, it seems to disappear completely. The smartphone's back panel seems to be a single hole with no indication of a built-in display. It's really cool that it's hiding that away. On the other side, we see the same 6.78-inch thin bezel display with a screen-to-body ratio of 94%. It has an AMOLED panel with a brightness of up to 2500 nits, so we can easily play games or watch movies even in bright sunlight. The AMOLED display with LTPO technology supports adaptive refresh rate in a range of 1 to 120 Hz. The maximum refresh rate is 185 Hz, whereas the touch sampling rate reaches an impressive 720 Hz for instant response. Those 185 Hz I mean for mobile gaming only, and you can enable it in the exclusive Game Genie app. You can also manually select a refresh rate of 165 Hz for everything other than gaming. For you to be able to see those Hz on the screen, the ROG Phone 9 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform with a clock rate of 4.3 GHz. It used to be a 3.3 GHz on the ROG Phone 8. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is faster in terms of GPU performance and more energy efficient than the previous version of the platform. Tested with Geekbench, the ROG Phone 9 Pro is 13% ahead of the A18 CPU and 6% ahead of the MediaTek D9400 in the multi-3D test. Now let's check it out, some real-life benchmarks, and see what numbers we've got. For unmatched performance, the smartphone is equipped with LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.0 storage. There are three configurations: 12 GB of memory plus 256 GB of storage, 16 plus 512 GB, and the most advanced one is 24 GB of memory plus 1 TB of storage. To protect the smartphone from overheating during long gaming sessions, there is so-called rapid cooling conductor, part of the GameCool 9 technology, that's taking heat off the center of the device to its back panel. The graphics sheet is 57% larger now, so the temperature is up to 12% lower compared with the previous version. Additionally, there is AeroActive Cooler X Pro that helps reduce the temperature of the back panel by as much as 36 degrees. It also has two physical buttons for controlling your games, a 3.5mm audio connector and hour lighting. One more thing that you can't see easily is a subwoofer. I have always liked the sound quality of the ROG Phone series, and it has been been getting better with each new model. The ROG Phone 9 is no exception. Its sound is clear and loud, and with the addition of the cooler you actually get a portable speaker with the subwoofer. Awesome! The ROG Phone 9 supports the aptX adaptive and aptX lossless codecs developed by Qualcomm. They ensure that the audio signal is transferred across a Bluetooth connection to wireless headphones and headsets with the high resolution and low latency. So this small thing combines top audio quality with efficient cooling. Besides its premium design and top performance, the ROG Phone 9 series is IP68 rated for dust and water ingress resistant. Now let's talk about the cameras. Gaming smartphones used to focus on performance rather than photography, yet many users wanted to have high-quality cameras. That's why the new series comes with an updated sensor for the main camera and revised stabilization system. The ROG Phone 9 features a 3x telephoto camera for capturing distant objects. It has built-in optical image stabilization to ensure crisp and sharp results, and it supports night photography mode for low-light shots. Using unprocessed RAW files, the hyperclarity technology preserves every detail, giving you clear images even at 30 times zoom. The ultra-wide 13-megapixel camera features a freeform surface modeling optical design and the latest algorithms to reduce lens distortion and produce stunning yet natural images. Using the latest 50-megapixel Sony Lithia 700 sensor, the main camera with the wide 24mm lens is perfect for dynamic street snaps, whereas the two-fold lossless zoom mode turns it into the equivalent of a 50mm lens. Perfect for portrait photography. The first-generation 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer in the main camera helps make photos and videos sharper. It can compensate for shifts of up to ±5 degrees. It can be enabled in the standard and portrait modes. It's also useful when shooting in low-light situations. The field of view of the 32-megapixel ultra-wide front camera is large as 90 degrees, so it's perfect for group selfies. With the additional white pixels on its RGBW sensor to capture more light, images are clean with the less noise even in low light. For ROG Phone users to enjoy handy AI capabilities, the four main applications of the Phone 11 have been transferred for the ROG Phone 9 series, making its everyday use even more convenient. So we've got AI Call Translator that can instantly make speech-to-text conversations and translate into a language for your choosing. The AI Wallpaper feature lets you can easily create personalized wallpapers based on its 6 different styles. And the AI Transcript tool can transcript in the real time when recording in the voice recorder app from exciting audio files. So we can use the smartphone as a voice recorder and save transcripts easily. Yet another new feature is AI Doc Capture. When you shoot a document, it corrects any distortion and removes shadows to achieve the same quality as if you used a scanner or a specialized document processing application. Of course, the new smartphone features the same ultrasound AI triggers that give you unrivaled fingertip game control with a console-like experience. They support a wide range of gestures, including dual actions. There is an X-axis linear motor that provides powerful haptic feedback. By the way, the smartphone comes with a larger battery than in the previous version. It's grown from 5500 to 5800 mAh. As I said already, there is a fast-charging 65-watt hypercharge adapter included into the box. And the smartphone also supports wireless recharge. So what's the end result? The ROG Phone 9 series is a top-class product with a slim and light chassis and thin bezel, making it the perfect gaming smartphone. Conceived as a powerful and versatile device for gamers, streamers, content creators and many other users, it brings you a lot of gaming features together with high performance, premium design and everyday utility. The smartphone series goes beyond the ordinary, offering cutting-edge technologies, AI capabilities, innovative design and exceptional user experience. And now I'm going to say goodbye to you and thanks for watching. This is Nikita and Republic of Gamers. Stay tuned. As always, we have a lot of exciting things in store for you. See you soon.